Guys, this is Danny here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Wanted to show you a beautiful Bennington that we just got in. This is a 2027 SSR. Again, this is one of our special priced boats from Bennington with the metallic silver and the blackout package, black skirting, the SPS package. It's got a full 10-foot Bimini top as well. And let's go around back. Let me show you a little more. This boat comes with the SPS, as I mentioned, and a 150 horsepower Yamaha. Great boat, good running boat for the size boat it is. It's got a nice little ski towing bar here as well. You've got the ladder back here in the back for easy access into the boat. Let's go aboard. I'm up here in the bow of the 22 SSR now. You've got the long loungers here as well, and the nice light Leon gray. It's like a light color, nice and cool. It has the storage here underneath all the seats. Everything's channeled, so nothing gets wet inside the storage. The water just drains out the side of the boat. Got a nice little cocktail table here as well. This has the dual captain's chairs. At the helm here, we've got a nice Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo. You've got a Garmin GPS, fish finder, depth finder, and everything right here. You also have a wireless charger, so you can lay your phone right there out of the sun. It'll charge while you're riding around. Got a nice little cubby hole in the bottom here. This is the radius seating, so it has the quad bench, so you have two back here as well. Like I said, the 10-foot Bimini top gives you plenty of coverage with the sun. So if you'd like to see more about this boat, please visit us here at MarineMax Greenville.